In this video, I'm going to show you how you can become an affiliate and make recurring monthly income. First, what you want to do is to go to mariuslandman.com. See there, it's mariuslandman.com. The second step is what you want to do is to go down to Affiliate X. See there on the bottom there, click on Affiliate X, and that will then take you to this screen here. What you need to do is to put your name and last name in, your email address and your phone number, and then click submit. Once you submit, we are going to give you access to Affiliate X, where you can make recurring income every single month. The website is still mariuslandman.com, and you are going to have access to this website here now. Now, what you want to do is to become an affiliate and sign up here. When you click on that link, it's going to take you to the sign up screen, which I'm going to show you shortly. You can also, if you don't want to sign up immediately, attend one of these webinars at 12 p.m. or 7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, and you simply click on that link there and that will take you through. If you do not have time to attend this webinar, what you can do is to click on this video here. That's a private unlisted video, and you can review the webinar that was recorded earlier. So what you want to do is to sign up immediately and get into the system, plug into the system very, very quickly, because it's a matrix that's going to fill up and you want to plug into the system as soon as you can. So once you click on this link here, it's going to open a screen that looks like this, where it says pythonsignals.com, and you'll see here on the top right it says sign up. So click on that sign up link there, and it's going to take you to the registration page, which looks like this: Python Signals registration. And what you want to do is to put your name in there. You'll see it says Bitcoin AUS. You want to put your name in there, last name. You don't have to put any other further details in. You then click that button there on the bottom and you say sign up. Once you are signed up, now remember, you don't pay any money yet. Okay, I'm going to show you what we do now. Your page is going to look like this. In this case, we signed up Peter Axel, and we are going to show you how this works. On this side here, you've got dashboard. See there on this left-hand side, my account, network. That's your network of people that you are going to bring in and refer to use this product. There's finance. There's a place where you can download the reports, messaging, promote, and then contact support if there are any issues. The first thing that you want to do after you get into this system here is to go to finance here on the left-hand side. What you want to do is to go to upgrade membership. This is where you are going to purchase your own membership. And I'm only going to show you quickly what this consists of. So there are 5 options. You can come in as a silver for 31 days access at $50. You can get into gold. It gives you 92 days access for $150. And then you can get platinum or galaxy. If you pay the galaxy, that will give you 455 days access, which is 15 months. And that works out approximately $32 on average per month. Now that you know the cost is $500. What you want to do is to go back to this link here, which is your deposit wallet. Once we're in the deposit wallet, what you want to do is to put $500 in. But I am going to add, let's say, just $40 extra. So I'm going to say, just to cover my cost, I'm going to put $540 in, just a little bit extra to cover any cost. There's no problem if you only keep it at $500. So I'm going to pay with Bitcoin, and I'm going to choose Bitcoin, and I'm going to say deposit Bitcoin into that wallet. Now you are being taken to Coin Payments. You put your email address in, you choose the coin that you want to use, let's say for example Bitcoin, and you click complete transaction. That transaction will then give you the option and show you where you need to deposit the Bitcoin in. You copy and paste, you pay your Bitcoin, and it will take you around about 20 minutes before the money is then shown into your back office. So once you're there, you make the payment, and when you come back, the money will basically be shown here in your deposit wallet. See, in this case, Peter Axel paid $550 and he spent $500 on a Galaxy upgrade, and there's still $50 left. Now you are going to get paid in Bitcoin by simply referring our reports to friends and family. If you go under downloads, so I'm just going to click on downloads there, and it's going to show me all the reports. And here's the report of 10 October, and you simply click on that, and that will then upload. There's the report there, it's been downloaded. Just open that, and there you go, there's the report of 10 October. Okay, so back to the main screen. Now, what you want to do is to start building your network. You click on network there, and you go to your matrix on this side. Guys, this is going to make you insane money. There's already people making good money out of this. So that's you, and you're going to bring in people left and right. And as you fill this matrix up, you're going to make money every single month while people are using our reports. Thank you very much, and good luck. Talk to you soon.